Students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 3.6, first problem, fourth one. 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy, 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy is our question. So normally the equations consist of x term, y term and the constant term. Here the constant term is given along with the xy. This xy should be removed. So for that what we should do is we have to divide this xy, then it will get cancelled. So what we are going to do is divide xy on both sides. Divide xy on both sides. So that is our first step. First equation, that is our 6x plus 3y which is equal to 6xy. I am going to divide it by xy on both sides. By xy, here also by xy should write. Same way for second equation also. 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy my equation. So divided by xy, divided by xy, divided by xy here. Now x and x term will get cancelled, y and y term will get cancelled. Here xy and xy will get cancelled. Here x is getting cancelled, y getting cancelled. Here xy and xy itself will get cancelled. So the remaining terms, here 6 by y plus here 3 by x which is equal to 6. Second equation, 2 by y plus 4 by x which is equal to 5. Now again, by looking at the equation, the variables are given in the denominator. So we have to carry over to the numerator by the assumption. So let us assume 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. That is our assumption. So the first equation 6 by y is given. So that is our 6b plus 3 by x is given. That is our 3a which is equal to 6. Second equation 2 by y. So y is b. So 2b plus 4 by x should be written as 4a which is equal to 5. So here we need to solve these two equations. By any method we can solve it. Here we are going to solve by substitution method. Any method, you can go by elimination method also. So substitution method I am going to solve these two. So from the first equation I am going to get any one of the value. So here 3a is equal to this. Here we are having 6. That plus 6 we bring it to that side, that will become minus 6b. So a is equal to multiplication 3, if we bring it into other side it will become division. So 6 minus 6b by 3 we are getting. So here denominator 3 is there, numerator both the terms carry 6 with you. So very easily what we can do is, so a is equal to, from the numerator I can take the 6 outside as a common term. So here the remaining term is 1. Here the remaining term is 1b by 3. Why we are taking out means we can cancel this. 3 1s are, 3 2s are. So a is 2 into 1 and 2 into b. 2 1s are 2 and 2 into b will be 2b. So that is my a value. So let us substitute the a value in second equation. So substitute a here. Substitute a in second equation. So here 2b will come as it is. Plus 4 into a value what we have got is 2 minus 2b here. That should be written 2 minus 2b which is equal to 5. Now 2b plus 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Minus symbol is there. So minus 8b which is equal to 5. So here 2b minus 8b subtraction. After subtraction you will be getting minus 6b which is equal to 5. This plus 8 if you bring it into other side, minus 8. So minus 6b which is equal to minus 3 we are getting. Minus minus will get cancelled. So b is equal to 3 by 6 we are getting, which is equal to 1 by 2. So b value we are getting 1 by 2. So let us substitute the b value here to get your a value. Now substitute b value. So here a is equal to 2 minus 2 into b. B value 1 by 2 we got. So write the 1 by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So what is the value we are getting? 2 minus 1 which is equal to 1. So a value 1, b value 1 by 2 we are getting. So now finally we should go for a x and y values. We know that 1 by x is equal to a, that is our 1, and 1 by y is equal to b, that is our 1 by 2. Do the reciprocal on both sides. So 1 by x reciprocal will become x, 1 reciprocal will be 1 only. Reciprocal of 1 by y is y. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. That is your x and y values. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. That is our final solution. You can solve the problem by elimination method also. You will be getting the same answer. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.